Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. So, we have some viewer mail. Special shout out, because I know this is from my friend down at Cuff and Stuff Barbecue and Southern Cooking. I think it's Southern Cooking. If it's not Southern Cooking, it's Southern Cuisine. But there's a letter. All right, Dash, these two containers have two different recipes that have been in my family for at least 4 generations that I know of. I hope you will enjoy both. One works well on chicken or pork. The other works well on Wednesday nights. Mixed with the beverage of your choice, as it may be a little strong from someone from the city, or for someone from the city. Thanks for all you do to help the rest of us along. Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff Barbecue. Jimmy, come on now. Yo, he sent a sticker. Oh, it's and good Southern food. All right, I know it was something. This is a dope sticker though, Jimmy. Thank you so very much, man. It's got the Blue Lives Matter line there. Wait. It looks like I picked up the right jar first. Oh, he must not know. He doesn't know. Jimmy, you haven't been around long enough. Maybe you boy, oh boy. Alright, let me stop being lazy and actually unwrap the whole thing. Oh yeah, buddy. Strong for someone from the city. You gotta get the right point in a jar. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. See, notice no face, no, none of that. No. Woo! Yeah, buddy. And this stuff here. Okay. Let's see. Uh-oh, we got a family recipe here. Not like I can taste anything from the outside, but I always just like to look at it, you know? Would you just look at it? Alright. Now. Ooh, sweet. Alright. Oh, there's a little tang on the tail end. Not real spicy. Nice even kick there. Well, it's very sweet. I don't know what's in it, and I'm sure Jimmy's probably not going to tell me. But for the record, I licked the spoon. Not bad. Not bad. Darn. I have some chicken that I need to cook. The only bad thing is I've actually put jerk seasoning, or it's been marinated in some jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna get this in the refrigerator, and next time I cook something special, I'll try this out. Thank you, sir, so very much. Really appreciate that. All right. So if you guys want to send something for us to try, all you have to do to send it to the P.O. box listed down below. It's Steel Drum Smokers or SDSBBQ, P.O. Box 3236, and it's Catonsville, Catons. How about I just do this? So if you would like to send us something, you can send it to this address right here. Alright? Thank you so very much, as always, for watching. Again, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw, if you learned something today, please leave me a comment down. Please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you can be notified whenever one of these videos goes live. Last but not least, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.
Woohoo! More butter, baby.